Legoland Windsor and the 4D cinema is where we start, and the area has become super clear, super clear over the last couple of weeks since our last visit to the park. Now, funny enough, it's just the stairs that remain. As we look at the old Skyrider building, even this now is starting to come down. Won't be long until this is down, but as you look over the back, I didn't actually realise that the stairs were solid concrete, which they are, which I believe is the reason why they still remain. The area has been brought forward a little bit more, so even more is blocked off since we were last there. However, you will notice signs now which say something is coming in 2027, as obviously we did say the new cinema is due to open then. Now, all of this has been behind boarding the station separately, the Skyrider one, for quite a while now, so that has come down as they start to exit. But here's a clear look of the site. There's just nothing here. This could be used for anything. A couple of models still hang around, but we would be expecting those to be removed very shortly as well. But the booth and all the projections and everything like that have gone as we prepare for 2027 at Legoland. I'm not entirely sure what is watering, but it's a nice clear area for sure. Let's have a look at model watch around Legoland Windsor. We got some new ones coming in as we come into Knight's Kingdom. We can see the frogs, and more models have been added to some existing models, which we'll show you again. This outside the castle with ducks and chicks and things all coming in to build up. You can see it's not done yet because the groundwork isn't done, although this area we don't believe there'll be too much more added. This is the bits that were previously installed. However, around the area, more has been installed. As you can see this one here, I'm not sure why it's not on kind of full view between bins, but a brand new model has appeared. Some of the older ones still look good as well. They're still there. Nothing's been added to these two yet with the sort of Robin Hood character, but there are more as well down in Pirate Shores. We can see Lookout, we can see the monkeys, the bananas. We can also see some of the ones we have previously shown you still looking fresh too, and these have been added with this one. I mean, this one is really cool as he sits in the bubble bath. Lots going on, particularly down here by the entrance. Legoland models, there's still quite a few to come out across the park, and actually one of them not down here is the owls, which have been installed on the walkway down to the cinema. World Cup fever has hit Legoland Windsor. Some of these games we were bringing you last time on our updates, they are now fully up as you can get involved in the World Cup. Look at this, look at some of these models on display from some of the world's most famous and best players. They just look amazing. I love Legoland models when they do this. Down in Miniland, you've got a whole stage area set up for games and Lego builds and various other entertainment which they're running right the way obviously to the end of the tournament, which will be kind of mid-July, just after mid-July. All of this will remain for that, with lots of opportunities to get involved in the games, so make sure that you do when you're at the park. It really kind of adds to the adventure of the park. That's also joined by some menu items. The goat cheese pizza, okay. Not too sure about this one, but we do have other ones as well. Messy fries, I mean, come on, the spelling of this. Come on, guys, let's get this right. Let's get this right. But also there is a sundae too, looking really good. Elsewhere in the resort, the ice lolly is coming down to Heart Lake City. This is replacing the hot dogs. It's not open yet, but I don't think it'll be too long until we see this open, especially in this weather. And then we finish up with Viking River Splash, which is near impossible to get views of, but the area looks clear, and we mean clear. Doesn't look like anything is left. There's a lot of rubble, there's a lot of clearance though. We can't see anything else. So it looks like this project is coming along nicely. It looks like they're going to have it done and the rest of the area cleared before we know it. Certainly before the November deadline. A lot of debris to remove, but the area does, for the whole, look fairly clear.